Ever feel like you're talking at people, not with them? Or that important details just slip through the cracks? But what if I told you there's a better way to truly connect? A way to listen so deeply others feel instantly understood? What if the secret to success, love, and peace of mind isn't what you say, but how you listen? In today's fast world, we're surrounded by noise. But how often do we really listen? Be honest. When someone talks, do you listen to understand or wait for your turn to reply? Active listening is built on three pillars: presence, understanding, and empathy. Hearing is receiving sound. Understanding is decoding emotion. Stop listening just to reply. Start listening to understand body language, tone, and silence. These often say more than words. So, how can you practice active listening every day? When you rephrase what someone said, it shows you really understand. Ask questions like, "Could you tell me more?" Or, "What did you mean by that?" Put the phone away. Focus completely on the person in front of you. Let's see how active listening works in real-life moments. In conflict, listening doesn't mean agreeing, it means understanding. At work, active listening makes you memorable. With family or friends, listening is love in action. Ready to improve your listening skills? Here's your 5-day challenge. Day 1, be fully present. Day 2, paraphrase. Day 3, ask clarifying questions. Day 4, watch body language. Day 5, reflect before replying. When you learn to listen deeply, you don't just change conversations, you change lives. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.